Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Our today's lesson is on translation from Urdu to English. The target tense is future continuous tense. The detail of the lesson is here. This lesson is for all sections of grade 8, and activity of the lesson is to teach you how to translate Urdu sentences of future continuous tense into English. It is 2nd September 2020. The day is Wednesday. Your teacher Sayyid Mubashir Hussain Shah is here for you. The main objectives of the lesson are in front of you. First objective is, first and the most important objective is to enable the students to recognize the sentences of future continuous tense in Urdu as well as in English. We also want you able to translate Urdu sentences into English. The third objective of the lesson is to give practice in all the basic rules of translation. Dear students, this page has been taken from your book. Book is Punjab Textbook Board English Composition and Translation for class 9th and 10th. Some sentences are in front of you. These are active voice sentences and the positive or affirmative sentences. On one side you can see Urdu sentences, and on the other side there are sentences of English, and they are the work of translation. On one side we see ab barish ho rahi hogi. At the end of Urdu sentences of future continuous tense we find rahi hogi, raha hoga, rahe honge, etc. And the first sentence is in front of you. It says अब बारिश हो रही होगी, future continuous tense, and the translation is it will be raining now. Will be plus ing form is used here. I and we, these two subjects of the sentences are followed by shall be, and all other subjects of sentences are followed by will be. It will be raining now. ing form, present participle form is used here. सूरज तुलू हो रहा होगा. The sun will be rising. चांद ग़ुरूब हो रहा होगा. The moon will be setting. खिलाड़ी मैदान में खेल रहे होंगे. The players will be playing in the field. किसान हुक्का पी रहा होगा. The farmer will be smoking his pipe. माँ अपने बच्चे को चूम रही होगी. The mother will be kissing her baby. मुसाफिर टिकट ख़रीद रहे होंगे. The passengers will be buying the tickets. बच्चे पहाड़े ज़बानी याद कर रहे होंगे. The children will be learning tables by heart. उस्ताद जमात को इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहे होंगे. उस्ताद साहब जमात को इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहे होंगे. The teachers, if you take here as plural, then the teachers, otherwise you will take it as singular. as per respect. The teachers will be teaching English to the class. माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा होगा. The gardener will be watering the plants. चोर मकान में नकब लगा रहा होगा. The thief will be breaking into the house. लोग नमाज ईद पढ़ रहे होंगे. The people will be saying ईद prayer. परिंदे दरख्तों पर चहचहा रहे होंगे. The birds will be chirping in the trees. रंग रेज कपड़े रंग रहा होगा. The dyer will be dyeing the clothes. कुत्ते हड्डी पर लड़ रहे होंगे. The dogs will be fighting over the bone. After these 15 sentences, I hope you have learned about the future continuous tense. If you have learned, you will have to do this exercise. This exercise is again from your book. First 5 sentences are given here from my side. तुलबा घर वापस जा रहे होंगे. The students will be going back to their home. सदर जलसा तकरीर कर रहे होंगे. The president of the meeting will be making a speech. मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमान इनामात तकसीम कर रहा होगा. The guest of honor will be giving away the prizes. मैं ड्रामे में हिस्सा ले रहा हूँगा. I shall be taking part in the drama. बच्चा अपना खिलौना तलाश कर रहा होगा. The child will be searching for his toy. Some words are given here. Guest of honor, to look for, to beat, drum, to bind, to flow, to bleed, etc. Then move towards the next situation. There are negative sentences. In translation of negative sentences, not is used after will or shall, that is before be, as under. बच्चे नहीं रो रहे होंगे. Children will not be weeping. Here you need to use the children will not be weeping, because all children are not mentioned, just specific children are mentioned here. The children will not be weeping. तुम हंस नहीं रहे होगे. You will not be laughing. वो मजाक नहीं कर रहे होंगे. They will not be joking. मजीद अपने भाई को नहीं सता रहा होगा. मजीद will not be teasing his brother. लंगड़ा घोड़े पर सवार नहीं हो रहा होगा. The lame person will not be riding the horse. फ़कीर भीख नहीं मांग रहा होगा. The beggar will not be begging. अमीर खैरात नहीं दे रहा होगा. The rich man will not be giving alms. Alms खैरात. आका गुलाम को नहीं पीट रहा होगा. The master will not be beating the slave. शेर बकरी को नहीं फाड़ रहा होगा. The lion will not be tearing the goat. कसाब छुरी तेज़ नहीं कर रहा होगा. The butcher will not be sharpening the knife. तेज़ करना wet. You can also use the word wet. Wetting the knife. The butcher will not be wetting the knife. तुम मुर्गी को ज़बह नहीं कर रहे होगे. You will not be slaughtering the hen. असगरी योम पैदाइश का केक नहीं काट रही होगी. असगरी will not be cutting the birthday cake. धोबन कपड़े इस्त्री नहीं कर रही होगी. The washer woman will not be pressing the clothes. सुनार जेवर नहीं तैयार कर रहा होगा. The goldsmith will not be making the ornaments. Ornaments जेवरात. वो इस वक्त दुआ नहीं मांग रहा होगा. He will not be praying now. Dear students, again here is an exercise for you. लोग आज पतंगे नहीं उड़ा रहे होंगे. The people will not be flying kites today. डॉक्टर मरीज़ का ऑपरेशन नहीं कर रहा होगा. The doctor will not be operating upon the patient. गवर्नर मेरी अर्ज़ी पर गौर नहीं कर रहा होगा. The governor will not be looking into my application. The governor will not be considering my application. वो सुलह कर रहे होंगे. They will be making peace. Try to understand here. It is not as negative. वो सुलह कर रहे होंगे. It is not so. वो सुलह नहीं कर रहे होंगे. वो सुलह कर रहे होंगे. They will be making peace. Number 5, मरीज़ दवाई की खुराक नहीं पी रहा होगा. The patient will not be taking the dose of medicine. Dose of the medicine you can use. All other sentences will be done by you. Dear students, now it's time to understand how to convert sentences of future continuous tense into English. Here are some sentences for you. First of all, you must know in interrogative sentences or questions, will or shall or question word followed by will or shall is used in the beginning of the sentences as the following examples. क्या लड़का अपना सबक पढ़ रहा होगा? The positive sentences, the boy will be reading his lesson. Now we will make the question, will the boy be reading his lesson? क्या लड़कियां चीज़ें झाड़ रही होंगी? Will the girls be dusting the things? तुम उनका ख़त क्यों पढ़ रहे होगे? Why will you be reading their letter? सूरज कब निकल रहा होगा? When will the sun be rising? वो पतंग कैसे उड़ा रहा होगा? How will he be flying the kite? औरतें कहाँ गा रही होंगी? Where will the women be singing? Try to note this thing. When we use WH words, we use them before the first type of the question. For example, number 3, तुम उनका ख़त क्यों पढ़ रहे होगे? First make, क्या तुम उनका ख़त पढ़ रहे होगे? Will you be reading their letter? If you make type 2 question, WH word question, we just put WH word before will. तुम उनका ख़त क्यों पढ़ रहे होगे? Why will you be reading their letter? सूरज कब निकल रहा होगा? When will the sun be rising? It is not when the sun will be rising. No. When will the sun be rising? वो पतंग कैसे उड़ा रहा होगा? How will he be flying the kite? And how, the word how is also taken as WH word, like WH words. First type of question is, will he be flying the kite? And second type of question is, how will he be flying the kite? औरतें कहाँ गा रही होंगी? Where will the women be singing? In the same way, where WH word, and then we find will or shall. Here will can be seen. Where will the women be singing? तुम क्या सोच रहे होगे? What will you be thinking of? हम मैच कहाँ देख रहे होंगे? Where shall we be seeing the match? शिकारी कहाँ छुप रहा होगा? Where will the hunter be hiding himself? Hide is the word which must have some object, and if it is not available, we can use the reflexive pronoun. Where will the hunter be hiding himself? The reflexive pronoun of the hunter is himself. वो राज किसको बता रहा होगा? Whom will he be telling the secret to? कितने आदमी फसल काट रहे होंगे? हाउ मैनी मैन विल बी हार्वेस्टिंग द क्रॉप, तुम उस आदमी पर क्यों हंस रहे होगे। वाई विल यू बी लाफिंग एट हिम, बच्चे क्यों रो रहे होंगे। वाई विल द चिल्ड्रन बी वीपिंग, वाई विल द चिल्ड्रन बी वीपिंग, तुम कब सफ़र पर रवाना हो रहे होगे। व्हेन विल यू बी गोइंग ऑन द जर्नी, क्या मैं घोड़े से उतर रहा हूँगा। विल आई बी डिसमाउंटिंग फ्राम द हॉर्स, डिसमाउंट मीन्स घोड़े से उतरना। विल आई बी डिसमाउंटिंग फ्राम द हॉर्स। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, at present you are seeing an exercise on questionary sentences of future continuous tense. The first sentence is here, बच्चे कब सो रहे होंगे। When will the children be sleeping, when will the children be going to the bed, किसान फसल कब बो रहे होंगे। When will the farmers be sowing their field या sowing the crop, क्या मज़दूर सड़क हमवार कर रहे होंगे। Will the laborers be leveling the road, लोग कहाँ जमा हो रहे होंगे। Where will the people be gathering, सितारे कब चमक रहे होंगे। When will the stars be shining? After these 5 sentences, hope you will be able to translate all other sentences yourself. Now you can see vocabulary. Some words are here for you to help you in the work of translation. Dear students, home assignment is in front of you. Take 5 sentences from each exercise of future continuous tense and write them in your notebook. You may take any 5 sentences from each of these 3 exercises and you can write in your notebook and you can translate them and you can send me on my personal number you already know. Dear students, thank you very much for your attention and you are very much free to subscribe the lesson, the videos, the channels, and you can share it with your friends. You can give your comments on the lesson. Thank you very much. Hope you will do the best.